If you imagine me with like short curly hair and not as cute of clothes, I basically have always been this person. For me, beauty isn't about the validation of other people, it's about the validation of myself. It's expressing on my outside how I feel on the inside. My name is Jonathan Van Ness, and I'm the founder of JVN Hair. Oh my gosh, did you just say my hair looks amazing? Thank you, it does. Representation, so important. For me to be a genderqueer, non-binary, HIV positive person that you can see in Sephora is earth-shaking, it's major. It would have made me feel so much better as a young person to see someone like me. The thing that I knew about JVN Hair at the very beginning was, like, what our brand stands for is come as you are. I honestly could talk to you for like 7 hours about this. I'm like really passionate about formulas, and I'm really passionate about JVN Hair, and I'm really passionate about ingredients. But the thing that really moves JVN Hair, that makes us different from literally everything else, is hemisqualane. It's our alternative to silicone. We don't use any silicones in any of our line. And hemisqualane actually comes from sustainably sourced sugarcane that we ferment. It's our North Star, it's like our everything, and that brings the best out of all the other ingredients. For as long as I've been a fan of hair care, skincare, makeup, Sephora has been aligned with like the place to go. Especially as a young person growing up, like I actually have chills on my legs just thinking about it. And even today, like every time I go into a Sephora and I see my face, it's like, is this real? I respect the way that Sephora uses its platform and the way that it aligns with its values and then disseminates that into the world. There's so many important things that I've learned in Sephora over the years. I remember the beauty advisor taught me how to color correct my underbags. When people understand what products are supposed to do and what needs they're supposed to meet, that's really like the secret sauce. I grew up in a rural community on the Mississippi River. It was rough, you know, I mean, it's a very conservative place. I always felt like I didn't fit in, and I think that beauty was a space where I always felt so inclined to want to participate in, and that it wasn't something that I was welcome to play in. There was a lot of like, that's for girls, like you shouldn't be so interested in that. And I think that finding certain people that would be supportive of that curiosity was really important. I always wanted to do people's hair. I always wanted to do my own hair. I was always getting lost at the mall, like reading ingredients. Sometimes you don't know what your destination is. I never would have thought that my journey would be what it is, but what has led me on this path was always moving towards something that I was passionate about. So much resilience, tenacity, so many no's. Beauty has sold this idea that if you just do this thing, if you add that product, you're gonna be seen, you're gonna be hot, you're gonna be complimented, honey. And what I want people to know is, you already are hot.